Index mutual funds are a type of mutual fund that aims to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500 or the Russell 2000. They are designed to provide investors with a low-cost way to gain broad-based exposure to a particular market or sector. Here are some advantages of index mutual funds. Low-cost, index mutual funds typically have lower expense ratios than actively managed mutual funds, which means that they are less expensive to own. Tax efficiency. Since index mutual funds typically have lower turnover than actively managed funds, they tend to generate fewer capital gains, which can be beneficial for tax-sensitive investors. Diversification. Index mutual funds provide investors with broad-based exposure to a particular market or sector, which can help to diversify risk and reduce the impact of any one stock or sector on the overall portfolio. Transparency. Index mutual funds disclose their holdings on a regular basis, which allows investors to see exactly what they are investing in and how it is performing. Consistency. Index mutual funds have a consistent investment strategy. They aim to track a specific index and they don't try to beat the market, which allows investors to know what to expect. Low turnover. Since the fund manager is not trying to beat the market, they don't need to constantly buy and sell securities, which means the turnover rate is low, thus reducing transaction costs and potential capital gains taxes. It's important to note that index mutual funds do not try to beat the market and may underperform in periods when the market is doing well. Also, it may not be suitable for all investors, and it's important to understand the investment strategy, risk, and costs associated with any mutual fund before investing. Additionally, it's important to consult a financial advisor to help determine whether index mutual funds are appropriate for your investment goals and risk tolerance.